Student, previous session we are discussing regarding the genesis of what classification of elements, how to build the periodic table. Okay, so last class we are discussing regarding the law of triads and Newland octaves. Okay, law of octaves, that two are very important. Now in this session whatever I'm going to discuss that are very important for board exam, that is Dmitry Mendeleev's periodic table and Lothar-Meyer periodic table. Okay, genesis of Lothar-Meyer as well as Mendeleev periodic tables. Here both scientists give their statement regarding the classification of element independently. Okay, so not in together. Okay, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ, but in both what statement should be the similar. Okay, statement should be the similar, but only the change, he plot the graph against physical property like volume, atomic volume, melting point and boiling point and all. Okay, so in this they took randomly some elements. Okay, so total at this stage already almost all elements are discovered. Okay, they took some elements in or all elements in their properties like atomic volume and all. Okay, he plot a graph against the atomic physical properties and atomic weight. Again you consider only weight. Okay, weight and physical property volume. Okay, so just imagine if it is atomic weight, okay, your weight, atomic volume, both in a graph. When they took different kinds of elements, lithium lower atomic weight, so you got a graph like this. Okay, you got a graph like this, it's in a one group, on row, or lithium, aluminum, like that, lithium, boron, aluminum, nitrogen, oxygen, like that. They took similar kinds of graph and which are just above to the first one, exact same graph, not in the same or almost similar graph with the first graph. Okay, first graph only lithium tagondre, next graph only there should be sodium. Okay, so lithium and sodium should be the same atomic numbers, so and the properties are similar with the graph. So according to Lothar-Meyer, they plot a graph against physical property versus atomic weight, and which are close resemble with the modern periodic table. Whatever the element discovered in the modern periodic table, which are almost similar properties with the Lothar-Meyer arrangement also. In a Lothar-Meyer arrangement also both are similar. So these are considered in a Mendeleev modern periodic table. Okay, properties which are almost similar. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Next very important, what is that? Mendeleev periodic tables concept. What is statement says here? The properties of an element of periodic function of their atomic weight. Okay, what are the properties? Okay, periodic properties like physical property, maybe chemical properties, these are what functions of their atomic weight, based on the atomic weight as a number of. Here for example I will take atomic volume. As the weight increases, or obviously volume should be increases. Okay, volume kuda ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So according to him, periodic function should be the based on what? Atomic weight. So these definitions are very important for exam. Maybe they may ask for one more question. So ಇದನ್ನ one more question ಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. The properties of an element, here element should be any elements. Okay, are periodic function of their atomic weight. Okay, so here different kinds of elements which are periodically varying. Okay, same kinds of variation. If one element, say x1, x2, x3, x4, I'll take. Okay, so these are elements are periodically. Next kind of set of elements, for example y1, y2, y3, y4. Here these properties are similar with these properties, but only the changes in what? Atomic weight, increasing order of atomic weight. Okay, this is about Mendeleev periodic table. In the Mendeleev periodic table there are some exception cases are there that we'll discuss in here. Okay, here what is that? Mendeleev and you know the modern periodic table also having in a row wise and column wise. Mendeleev arranged the elements in a horizontal rows and vertical columns. Horizontal row means what? In this direction, increasing in this direction, and vertical rows, all based on what? Atomic weight only, all based on atomic weight only. Then next, some of the elements do not fit in this way. So yavel elements sikkide adinella increasing order of what? Atomic weight ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But some elements are which are not fit in this order. ಈ order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Which are they? For example, okay, so here iodine and tellurium, both are elements are present here. Actually iodine comes after tellurium, but according to Mendeleev, tellurium comes first, then the iodine. Why? Because iodine having the lower masses than the tellurium. Okay, tellurium ginta iodine ge lower mass ide, hagagi idara place exchange agi irtade. So there is an exchange in their positions of tellurium as well as iodine. Here some examples are there, so I'll took only one. Here place the elements with the similar properties together. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಸಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ದ position of the iodine and tellurium is vary. Some other examples also there. Okay, that also one of the drawback in this. And one more, at that time gallium and germanium which are not discovered, these two are what? Not discovered at that time. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? At that time, and they know what is the position of the atomic order, range ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, and they don't know which is gallium and which is tellurium, so which is placed in a what? After aluminum. Okay, after aluminum ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ there's an gallium will come. Actually we know after aluminum gallium will come, but at that time gallium is not discovered and they don't know about the gallium, so they will place in a what? After aluminum they didn't discover any element, they taken as X. This X is named as what? Ica aluminum. Similarly germanium also not discovered, but silicon, after silicon germanium will come, that taken as Y. Okay, so here X should be after aluminum, called as an Ica aluminum. After silicon we called as an Ica silicon, which is that Ica aluminum is nothing but gallium, Ica silicon is nothing but germanium. Okay, these are the overcome of their problems. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂದ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕಾ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಕಾ ಸಿಲಿಕಾನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. These are what older periodic table concept. Our next concept should be the modern periodic law. Next we'll move for the at present what is the periodic construction of the periodic tables. Okay, last part of that what? Genesis of periodic table or classification of element, that is modern periodic law. Okay, which is obeyed at present. Okay, idu obey ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ actually now. Okay, now in this modern periodic law, okay, very important for what? One more question. It's very important for one more question, as Mendeleev periodic law as well as modern periodic law. First we'll go for the what the definition of or statement of the modern periodic law. According to the statement of what modern periodic law, physical and chemical properties of an element are periodic function of their atomic number. These are very important. Atomic number. Okay, so according to the modern periodic law, what it says, physical and chemical properties of an element are periodic function of their atomic number. But Mendeleev periodic law, it says by the mass number, but here or atomic weight, or here just an atomic number. What is the atomic number? Just we consider X is an element. If we consider X is an element, here Z over A, and you know, I hope you know this representation of an element. So X is in any element, for example hydrogen, chlorine, okay, like that. Here Z refers to atomic number, Z refers to atomic number, A refers to mass number. Okay, atomic number always equal to the number of proton present in an element. ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ Z refers to atomic number. Here what is a modern periodic law? There are which is a collective information from the different kinds of chemists, okay, so which are followed by the Mendeleev periodic law. Okay, ಈ Mendeleev periodic law na use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು modern periodic law na ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. There are some mistakes are there in a Mendeleev periodic law, but here overcome that problems. How? Just instead of taking atomic weight, by taking the atomic number. Okay, so while writing in the periodic table, okay, in a periodic table, so lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Okay, so this is one second period in a element galu. Okay, I'll write like this: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. These are the elements present in a what periodic tables. So here atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Increasing of what atomic number based on this. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and repeatedly idu kelagade baruntaddu sodium, okay, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Okay, so here atomic number is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, here 17. These elements are what? Having the similar properties. Here also beryllium and magnesium having the similar properties. So that is says by the modern periodic law. They arrange the atoms or elements in an increasing order of their atomic number, not by the mass number. Okay, not by the mass number. These statements are very important for exam point. Okay, either modern periodic law or Mendeleev periodic law. Modern periodic law ku Mendeleev periodic law ku difference eno? Only the atomic number in the case of what modern periodic law. Okay, and which is a modified version of what Mendeleev periodic law, which is a modified version of Mendeleev periodic law, just replaced by what atomic number, mass by atomic number. Okay, and mostly so one of the scientists or chemists involved in the construction of periodic table, what he did here, mostly observed the regularities of characteristic in a X-ray spectra. By the X-ray observation indagi some elements, these two elements, for example lithium and sodium, these two are having the similar properties. And one more example, boron and aluminium, these two are having the similar properties, so they are grouped together in a single groups. Okay, and one more, he plotted a graph against frequency versus atomic number Z. Frequency versus atomic number Z. He got the straight line for all set of elements. For all set of elements, he got a straight line. They confirm. And he plot against the frequency versus what mass number also, they got curved lines. Here frequency versus atomic number, they got straight line, but frequency versus mass number, you got a curved line. That indicates some of the elements are not in a regular manner, but in a modern periodic law they should be in a regular manner. Okay, so these are very important for board exam. Okay, for one more question. Next point or next concept we will discuss in the next session.